entering.
Actually, no, wait. Where's your piercings? Okay. I think I want to
Yeah. So come with me. I'm going to get a wig. I want to buy a wig.
Bueno, ella te dura mucho. Yeah. Esto le dura uno muchísimo.
Wiggy, wiggy, wiggy.
Hola. How's your brother? How's his birthday? Oh, nice. Good for him. Oh, he's been good with his dad. That's cool. That's good.
What is it, no?
Ever find out.
You'll be free.
Look at the variety and catalog of the wigs.
I like this.
But I always tell mommy I prefer her real natural hair.
Yeah.
Nappy headed afro hair.
You like the man?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, can I check, please?
Okay, you have a week off.
No, I buy.
Okay, 50 cents. Yeah, bring it.
Supposed to have 50 cents.